Tambay, may plano ka bang pinaglaban mo ng totoo pero boom! Hindi natuloy. Wait lang, baka hindi failure yan. Baka rerouting lang ni Lord. Alam mo, ang dami nating plano sa buhay. May timeline tayo. May expectations tayo. May picture tayo ng perfect future. Kahit gaano ka ka-prepared, kahit gaano ka ka-sure, bumibigay yung plano mo. Nagkakagulo yung schedule. Hindi natutuloy ang inaasahan mo. And it hurts kasi kala mo, tama na. Akala mo, final na. Akala mo ito na yun. Then suddenly, God says, no, or not this way. At mapapatanong ka talaga, Lord, bakit? Di ba maganda naman tong plano ko? Pero ito yung truth na minsan nakakalimutan natin. Just because your plan fails doesn't mean God's plan failed. It means His plan is better. And He's protecting you from something you didn't see. Sabi sa Jeremiah 29:11, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future." Pansin mo, I know the plans. Hindi I know your plans. Meaning, God isn't obligated to fulfill your plan. He is committed to fulfilling His plan for you. And His plan is not just good. It is better, wiser, safer, long-term, at may eternal impact. Your plan leads to comfort. God's plan leads to calling. Your plan leads to success. God's plan leads to purpose. Imaginein mo nag-book ka ng Grab, ang gusto mo mabilis na route, pero biglang nag-route. Akala mo hassle, akala mo delay, pero hindi mo alam, kaya pala nag-route dahil may aksidente sa unahan. That inconvenience saved you. Ganon din si Lord katambay. May mga plano ka na naglalag, nagka-crash, nagde-delay, at nag-fail. Kundi para maiwasan mo yung danger na hindi mo alam. When your plan fails, ask yourself, did God close the door to protect me? Usually, yes. Am I forcing something God is freeing me from? Is this delay actually preparation? Often, it is. Is God redirecting me towards something bigger? Almost always. Kaya katambay, kung may mga plano ka na hindi natuloy, hindi nag-work out, hindi naging sayo, hindi mo nakuha, pakinggan mo to. You did not fail. God simply has a better way. A way that protects you. A way that grows you. A way that aligns you with your purpose. A way that leads to something you never expected. And one day, you will look back and say, Lord, salamat. Hindi mo sinunod ang plano ko. Sinunod mo yung mas maganda mong plano para sa akin. So don't mourn the door that closed. Celebrate the future God is opening. Kaya kapit lang katambay. Smile ka na. Your failed plan is not the end. It's the beginning of God's best.